Helpdesk overpermission is a common Active Directory risk. Tier 1 users need to unlock accounts and reset passwords, but they should not need account operator rights. In SmartPT AD Control settings, the administrator assigns access through license tiers. Sara is assigned to Helpdesk Tier 1. Tier 1 is focused on routine helpdesk work. Sara can help a standard user with unlock and password reset workflows without broad Active Directory permissions. Now Sara signs in as a Tier 1 operator. She sees a simple support workspace, not the administrative settings area. Sara searches for Avi and sees the account context. Avi is locked, so SmartPT shows the unlock workflow only inside the controlled AD control console. Sara enters the business reason and runs the unlock. The action is immediate, controlled, and auditable. Sara can also run a direct password reset for Avi. The reset stays inside SmartPT with a reason, policy controls, and audit visibility. Notice that Sara's Tier 1 workspace stays focused. Profile updates and group management belong to higher support tiers. SmartPT Core shows AD control activity so administrators can review access, product activity, and operational changes from the console. The result is safer Tier 1 delegation. Sara can unlock and reset passwords, Tier 0 stays protected, and every action remains visible.